What's up guys, Jedi Master Jake here. Today we're going to be going over a very simple lightsaber spin trick that you can use in your choreography. Alright, so here's the deal. This is what it looks like, right? A few different angles. From the front it's not as impressive, but it works really well from the sides. Okay, now you've probably seen this in a lot of different Star Wars films. Usually they've got like a bunch of strikes, and then they've broken off, and they do this as a flourish, and then they're right back into it. So, how do you do this? Well, it's just a simple spin, like that. You start with the lightsaber held straight up, okay? Then, you point it forward, making sure that the hilt, the bottom of the hilt, ends up going on the inside of your arm, so between your arm and your torso, like so. Then, you twist your hand so that the palm is facing up and the thumb is facing out. You don't have to like exaggerate it all the way to that, but it's a good way to practice it at first so you get the idea. After you've done this, you kind of just swing it back around. Use the momentum that you already had and then catch it again. All right, so you look at that, practice that motion a couple of times, and then you can also do it backwards. To do it backwards, you start here, you push it back, and then you twist into that palm right there, and then you catch it and pull it back up. Again, you kind of want to swing it around to give it momentum. That's forward, that's backwards. Okay, so how does this really help us? It looks the best when you can kind of spin it multiple suggestions, and then you can bring it into different spin moves, which I'll be covering in later videos. Basically, that move, it works. You can do it while it's behind you. You can kind of do it while it's in front of you. A little harder that way. Easiest way is to do it while it's beside you. And then usually you transition from this into some kind of a strike like. Or from a backwards up to that, like that. And then you can do this with either hand. I'm not quite as good at it with my left hand yet, but that is the way it works. And of course, you can actually use this to switch hands. So you start with the backward swing in your right hand, and you move to the backward swing in your left hand. Looks pretty cool from the side. And there you have it, folks. That's a very simple lightsaber spin trick that you can incorporate into your choreography or spinning moves. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel here at Jedi Master Jake for more awesome content. May the Force be with you.